To begin, just type airtel.in/business to visit the Airtel Business page. Click on the human icon on the top right corner of the page. Please choose Airtel Enterprise Hub from the drop-down. Registered users need to first enter their registered email ID. After successful validation, the user will be prompted for the password. Users can also change their password by clicking on the Forgot Password link. After logging in, please select Mobility as the product. Click on the G Suite banner from the home page. You will find all the eligible connections for the G Suite at the bottom of the new window. Should you wish to proceed to subscribe G Suite, click Subscribe Now. On the new window, please enter the domain name and hit Verify. If you do not have a domain, please click on Get Domain and easily register a new domain for yourself. Fill the mandatory columns and hit the Submit button. Upon successful submission, you will be directed to a new page saying that your request has been submitted successfully. Once your subscription is created, you will be directed to Manage Subscription page where you can add, edit, delete or suspend your users. As a last step, please log in to admin.google.com to accept their terms of services and start using G Suite.